Environment Canada has issued a weather advisory at 12:01 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Thursday, May 11th, 2023. A weather advisory is issued for City of Calgary, Rocky View County near Bragg Creek and Suitiana Res, Foothills County near Frittis and Brown Lowry Pross Park, Foothills County near Diamond Valley, Foothills County near Okotoks and De Winton, Rocky View County near Airdrie and Crossfield, Rocky View County near Bontrell and Madden, Rocky View County near Cochrane, Rocky View County near Aricana, Bissiger and Catherine, Rocky View County near Chestermere, Dalroy and Dalemead, Wheatland County near Strathmore, Lyalta and Cartland, Andy of Bighorn near Canmore, Exshaw and Ghost Lake and Kananaskis Improvement District near Kananaskis Village. Conditions will be favorable for the development of sun or clouds today.
Environnement Canada a émis un avis météorologique à midi heure le jeudi 11 mai 2023. Un avis météorologique
There's a weather advisory
ville de Calgary,
issued for Calgary.
de Rocky View près de Bragg Creek et de la
It's
résidence.
unlikely that's going to happen in the city,
Cité de Foothill près de Prédis et du
but the
Brown
weather
Lowry
advisory is there.
Park. Cité de Foothill près de Diamond Valley. Cité de Foothill près de Okotoks et de Winton. Cité de Rocky View près d'Airdrie et Crossfield. Cité de Rocky View près de Beautrail et Madden. Cité de Rocky View près de Cochrane. Cité de Rocky View près d'Aricana, Bissiger et Catherine. Cité de Rocky View près de Chestermere, Dalroy et Dalemead. Cité de Wheatland près de Strathmore, Lyalta et Cartland. DM de Bighorn près de Canmore, Exshaw et Ghost Lake et district en voie d'organisation de Kananaskis près de Kananaskis Village. Les conditions seront propices à la formation de nuages en entonnoir aujourd'hui.
Sorry about the static.
Forecast for Kananaskis.